welcome to a cozy afternoon of vintage Christmas decorating, baking, cooking here at a little farmhouse on the northern plains of Iowa. I hope you are keeping well. Today I'm going to be decorating our Christmas tree as well as making homemade applesauce and cinnamon ornaments. And for dinner I'll be making a poulet au lemon, which is a hearty and comforting French chicken casserole. So as always, I'm so glad you're here with me and have stopped by for a visit here at my home, the Carriage House. So now that those old-fashioned stockings are hung up on the tree, I'm going to begin making these applesauce and cinnamon ornaments that are baked into an oven on low heat for a few hours. And the aroma of these baking in your oven, it smells divine. It fills your kitchen and your home with a lovely sense of Christmas, the lovely sense of winter, and it's a very comforting smell. So I'm going to go ahead and finish making these ornaments, and I will leave all these recipes down below. So while the cinnamon and applesauce ornaments are baking in the oven, I'm going to begin making a poulet au lemon, which is a vintage type of casserole. It's chicken legs and thighs braised in apple cider and brandy, then cooked with onions, garlic, and herbs, and finally finish off with cream and fried apples. But it is a French chicken dish that originated in the northern part of France called Normandy. So going to go ahead and prepare everything, and then we'll get back to decorating my tree with those Christmas ornaments.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
So I really hope you enjoyed your visit here.